Hello everyone. Starting from this week, I am planning on recording videos to show you kind of sample questions about IXL assignments. So each assignment is going to be probably 2 to 3 questions because the goal is getting you to 60 points, which is not going to take any more than 2 or 3 questions, I think. Okay, so the first lesson is about solving proportions C6. Let's see what this question is. I'm gonna see what kind of units I have. I have $10, I have 5 guests, and I have 9 guests. My question is about the cost. I'm gonna figure out how many dollars I need. So if you divide $10 by 5 guests and set it up equal to, because I'm trying to come up with a proportion, which means you need a ratio on one side, like 10/5, and then you need another ratio on the other side. That becomes a proportion. We have 9 guests. Guest goes in the denominator. We are gonna figure out how many dollars we need. Either this proportion, you can either use this one, $10 to 5 guests, X amount of dollars divided by 9 guests, or you can divide the like units, which means we have $10. We don't know how many dollars we need. For $10, we have 5 guests. For the unknown amount of money, we have 9 guests. Either one of these proportions would work. So let's use the first one. Multiply these two. We have 90. 5 times x equals to 5x. Divide each side by 5. So x would be equal to $16. Once again, you can also use this proportion. 5x equals 90, which is the same equation that we had over here, so it doesn't matter. Now I will skip one level and then solve that question as a sample. Let's see that question. Okay, here it is. We have, let's change the color, 35 kilograms, 5 hours, 42 kilograms, and the unknown number of hours. So I'm gonna divide the like terms this time. 35 divided by 42, it equals to 5 hours for 35 divided by that unknown number of hours. So all I have to do is multiply these two. 35 times x equals 42 times 5. So 42 times 5 is 210. Left side stays the same. So if I divide each side by 35, I'll get x equals 6. Let's see the next question, and that will be the last one. That's going to be the last one probably. Okay, here is the last question. Once you reach to 75 points, you're going to have a similar question to this one. So we have $621. It's like term. Let's change the method this time. We have 27 people for $621. The next amount of money is $12.19. We are trying to figure out how many attendees is there going to be. So do the cross multiplication, multiply x by 621. That stays the same because they're not like terms. And multiply these two numbers, 27 times 12.19, you get 32,913. We are trying to get the x by itself to figure out how many people we'll need to attend. Divide each side by 621. These are going to cancel each other out. X would be equal to 53. Okay, that's it for this C6. I'll see you in the next video, guys.